Ever think about investing but felt overwhelmed by the jargon and complicated platforms? Well, robo-advisors like StashAway have emerged as a user-friendly solution, promising a smooth ride into the world of finance. But with all the bells and whistles, a crucial question pops up: is StashAway even legal? Let's face it, the world of finance can feel like a labyrinth, and venturing into uncharted territory can be nerve-wracking. So, buckle up, because in this video, we'll be diving deep into the legality of StashAway, understanding its regulations, and uncovering the facts to empower your investment decisions. Why worry about legality? Think of it this way: you're entrusting your hard-earned money with a platform. It's natural to want to know if it's operating within the legal framework and if your investments are protected. Unregulated platforms pose a significant risk, with potential issues like fraudulent activity or lack of recourse in case of problems. StashAway under the regulatory microscope. Here's the good news: StashAway isn't some shady back alley operation. They actually operate in multiple regions, and in each one, they play by the rules. Singapore, StashAway is a licensed fund management company under the watchful eye of the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS. MAS is a highly respected financial authority, ensuring StashAway adheres to strict regulations. Malaysia, here, StashAway holds a capital markets services license issued by the Securities Commission Malaysia. This license verifies their legitimacy and compliance with Malaysian financial regulations. Understanding the regulatory landscape. Now, regulations might sound dry, but here's why they matter. Investor protection. Regulatory bodies like MAS and the Securities Commission exist to safeguard your interests. They ensure StashAway operates with transparency and holds your money securely. Market stability. Regulations help maintain a healthy financial ecosystem. By following the rules, StashAway contributes to a stable investment environment. Beyond the license, security measures. While regulations are a strong foundation, security goes beyond just a license. Here's how StashAway adds another layer of protection. Client money segregation. Your hard-earned cash isn't just sitting around in StashAway's bank account. They segregate client money, meaning it's held separately from their own funds. Custody with reputable institutions. The actual investments you make through StashAway are held with established custodians like Saxo Capital Markets. These custodians are independent and act as a secure vault for your assets. The takeaway: StashAway is legal, but remember, we've established that StashAway is a legitimate platform operating within the legal framework. However, it's crucial to remember: investment risk. Even with regulations, investing always carries inherent risk. The market can fluctuate, and there's no guarantee of returns. Do your research. Don't solely rely on this video. Research StashAway, understand their investment strategies, and make informed decisions based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.